Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Objects section. This is accessing properties. There are two ways we can access an object's property. Let's explore the first way, dot notation. You've used dot notation to access the properties and methods of built-in objects and data instances. Hello.length returns 5 because that's the number of characters in the string hello. With property dot notation, we write the object's name followed by the dot separator and then the property name or key. Here we have let spaceship be assigned this object which holds key home planet with value earth and key color with value silver. When we say spaceship.home planet, it will return earth. When we say spaceship.color, it returns silver. Here we have object and property name. Spaceship is object, dot color is property name, and that's our dot operator. If we try to access a property that does not exist on that object, undefined will be returned. Spaceship.favorite ice cream returns undefined. Let's get some more practice using dot notation on an object. Let's use the dot operator to access the value of numCrew from the spaceship object in the code editor. Create a variable crew count and assign the spaceship's numCrew property to it. Let's do that now. Run it. We do pass. Again, using the dot operator, create a variable planet array and assign the spaceship's flight path property to it. Let's do that here. Run it. And we did pass. So what we're learning here is how to access properties inside of our object. We learned that we can do that using dot notation. By accessing properties of an object, we can save them into variables. If you guys are understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.